and hello everyone. I'm teacher Sundari here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at indefinite article and the definite article the in English. Articles are a challenging part of speaking English, but they are really an important part here. They give information about a noun that they come before. Using articles incorrectly can make your sentences confusing or sound strange. Thus, here we are going to learn some principles that will help you to use articles better. Remember that articles are used with English nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will have a much better idea when to use three small words in the right places. Let's start with indefinite articles and n. Firstly, use or n when you mention something or someone for the first time. For example, I saw a rainbow yesterday. A rainbow. I mean any rainbow than a specific rainbow. Another example here. I went to an optician yesterday. Here, I mean any optician than a specific optician. How to decide if it is a or n? Use a before all consonant sounds, including the sounds B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. For examples, a boy, a table, a hotel, a flower. However, take note that some vowels have a consonant sound and vice versa. Use the article a with nouns that begins with these vowels. For example here, a university. We see a U but we hear a consonant sound U. Another example, a European. We see a E but we hear a consonant sound U. Next, we use an instead of a when the next words begin with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an umbrella, an egg. Some words begin with a silent H. Use an with nouns that begin with a silent H. For example, an hour. The silent H, but we pronounce R. So, we use N. Another one, an honest man. Even though it's a H, but it is a silent H. So, it pronounced as O. So, we use N. When not to use a or n. First, for uncountable nouns like rice, water, information, and etc. For example here, I ate rice just now. For plural nouns, also, we are not using a or n. For example, she loves strawberries very much. Now, let's look at the definite article the. Let's look at the basic uses of this article. Use the after you have already mentioned someone or something for the first time, or if the context tells the listener which object or person you are talking about. For example, I saw a rainbow yesterday. The rainbow was amazing. For the first time, you use a rainbow. For the second time, we already know which rainbow we are talking about. Next, we use the when there is only one of something or someone. For example, here, the Prime Minister of Malaysia is visiting Thailand. Here, there is only one Prime Minister that we are talking about. The next example, the earth is round. The earth is the only one, so we use the. We use the with superlative adjectives. What is superlative adjectives here? A superlative is the form of an adjective used to compare three or more things. For examples, tall, taller, tallest. Tallest here is the superlative adjective. Another example here, big, bigger, biggest. Biggest here is the superlative adjective. Now we are going to look at a sentence. The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Tallest here is the superlative adjective. So we use definite article the. Next, we use the before ordinal numbers. What is ordinal means here? It is a number designating the place such as first, second or third, occupied by an item in an ordered sequence. For examples, I was born on the 1st of December. Here, first is an ordinal number, so we use the. The second example, I live in the third house on the left. Again here, it is used for the ordinal number. Please take note here, for proper nouns like Sarah, Mr. Raj, Tokyo, Ipoh, do not take articles. For example, Sarah is my best friend. We won't use the for proper nouns. Take note here too. If you want to talk in general using plurals or uncountable nouns, we don't use articles. Why do we use an article with a noun sometimes and at other times we don't use an article at all? When we are speaking about a noun in general, we are not being specific about which particular noun. We usually leave the article out. For example, here, dolphins are very intelligent. Dolphins is a plural noun. We are using it to say generally that all dolphins are intelligent. Another example, leather bags are expensive. We don't use articles here because we are talking about leather bags in general. If I said the leather bags are expensive, then I'm talking about a particular kind or brand of leather bags. Let's do some practice here. Choose a, an or the only when necessary to complete these sentences. Well, number 1, Sarah bought blank hat last year. Blank hat was red. What the answers? Yes, Sarah bought a hat last year. Okay, when you use for the second time, you already know which hat was there referred to. Yes, the hat was red. Question 2. She has blank ink pen. Well, what is the answer here? Ink is a vowel sound. Singular. Ink pen. So, we use she has, yes, an ink pen. Next, we go to the question 3. Arif is blank tallest boy in the class. Here, tallest is a superlative adjective. Remember? So, we use the for the superlative adjective. So, the answer, Arif is the tallest boy in the class. Now, we move on to number 4. They like blank sweets. Remember, for plural nouns? Well, for plural nouns, we do not use articles. So, they like sweets. The last one now. Blank sun went down below the horizon. So, here sun is only one. Thus, we use the article. Yes, we use the article the. The sun went down below the horizon. Well, did you get all correct? Then good. That's all for now. Hope to meet you again with other lesson. Thank you for watching.